Kasi parang na-stretch ko talaga ako kasi na-overwhelm ako sa pagiging gobernador. Um, I as soon as I took office, I think a few days or a few weeks after, dumating yung mga bagyo na sunod-sunod. So sabi ko, nagkaroon ako ng baptism of water, hindi ba fire? But then, tatlong sunod-sunod, tapos nagko-hover pa yung isa. I forget the names of the typhoons. And then, at about that same length of time, nagkaroon ng lindol, diba? So talagang sabi ko, oh my gosh, ito na. And then, after a while, meron din nag-report sa akin, nagkaroon ng impo-impo naman dun sa may pawa, and all that. Tapos meron din daw sa lawan. So, sabi ko, ganito ba talaga, no? But, yun. So, that was my, parang attention-seeking pagkapasok ko as governor. But I guess also, like a nanay, di ba? When you come into a home, may house cleaning ka muna, gano'n, kasi syempre, there have been, there were things that former governor started. And I took that as a cue to also do the same thing. And so I concentrated muna po dito sa provincial government, yung mga different offices, yung mga different personnel, and kasi with Vice Gov, ang ginawa niya, he abolished salary grade 1 and 2 for entry level. Kasi talagang nakakaawa naman yung mga salary grade 1 and 2. So now at least entry level is salary grade 3. Tapos, aside from that, he also nag-umpisa na din siya noon for the promotions, except when the campaign period and the election period came, it had to be stopped. So I am just continuing what was started then. So yun po ang inaanahan natin here. We're coordinating closely with HR, and I guess marami naman din nakakisen na nakakaiyan sa pamilya in the country.